Well, once upon a time, I was very scared to make video. I I had only problem in my life. I didn't think seriously my life. I just struggle my life. I feel lots of depression, fear, frustrated, etc. I took another people opinion. I heard another people opinion. I didn't take my opinions. I didn't listen my word. I was very poor thinking. So like this way I remove my fear, shyness and etc. And still I feel lots of shy, depression, frustration, etc. But I can handle right now. I can deal with them. It has become easy. It has become easy, and I enjoy it because I heard. To be honest, I'm very crazy for making videos because it's my, you can say, hobbies. I love it. Why not to make video editing videos and upload my videos? All of things I do enjoy. So from this perspective, I like to making videos, and I would like to say I'm making video right now, and I was making video. I will making video. I will be making videos. So I would like to say it's my hobby, you can say, and this is the thing. And still I'm suffering in my life. Still I'm facing problem in my life. But being honest, I don't stop. People judge me. People was judging me before, and still people say lots of what, but I don't care them. Who cares? If I care them, if I think always about their opinions is better, I will go to hell. So I don't want to go to hell, bro. I want to go to heaven in this earth. So I want to stay heaven in this earth. So what I think is great, I take, and I try to do become it. And this is it. And I do it anyways. Like sometimes I feel fear, you can say, frustrated. I face problems, but I even stop. I just improve. Yes, I commitment myself. I I gave I gave commitment myself that I will be mistake, but I didn't stop. I will be. Yeah, I know my flaws. People will hate me. People will motivate me. People don't talk with me. But I didn't stop. I don't want to stop right now still. So this is my motive actually. And if I can achieve my all dreams, if I want to achieve my all dreams, I must loyal with me. It's my promise. It's my actually loyalty with me. So that's it. Who cares? Who see my actually working hard? Who don't see my working hard? It doesn't matter. It's their perspective. My perspective. I can do work hard. That's it. So this is it.